So today we're here to talk about automation and how we can make both IT admins' lives and end customer users' lives easier. And so one of the things we want to talk about is why is JumpCloud and Torq better together as an automation tool? And so at JumpCloud, our vision is to make work happen. We want to make our customer organizations more productive. And all of the use cases that we build, they're all built around making the everyday tasks of an IT admin or an end user more efficient. And we do this through orchestration. You'll hear me use the word orchestration throughout today, but there's a layer of orchestration that exists that does all the things that I described on the previous slide, whether it's the verification of an identity based upon who that user is and them verifying themselves, whether it's ensuring that the device is a trusted device based upon the policies. All that's done through orchestration with a focus on security. And so when you layer in automation on top of that, that augments the value that much more. And so Dallas, on the Torq side, go ahead.
All right, so let's just go over 3 quick value props here. So with the power of Torq, what we're going to be able to allow and empower you to do is really unify all of your disparate security tools. And it doesn't matter if your security tools or even your infrastructure you're trying to protect is either on-premise, in a hybrid cloud, or a pure SaaS environment. We're able to connect and unify all of those together into one centralized platform to allow you to automate any of the tasks. And then secondly, anyone, not just seasoned developers or highly specialized security professionals, are able to rapidly develop and implement Torq workflows in minutes. And the reason for this is that we've got a powerful, intuitive, and straightforward interface. So if you're not a coder like myself, you can use the no-code platform to drag and drop automations with providers like JumpCloud, for example, with expert curated templates and workflow libraries. And if you are a seasoned pro like Anair, you can code in Python, you can do whatever you want and drag and drop that code right into the interface, as easy as that. And then finally, you're able to connect to absolutely any system across your security stack through our open architecture. And like we said before, you're able to unify your IAM, your device management, and your security policy and configuration with the complete power of automation across all the security tools. Now, Derek and Anair are going to walk you through the 6 top use cases where you'll get to experience Torq's workflow automation capabilities combined with JumpCloud's evolving orchestration. On to use case number 1.
Please subscribe and check out more content from us.